Redfish IVN says hello. Visit us at Agona Swedregana. Today we are talking about ChatGPT neural network that makes the impossible possible. Not so long ago, namely on November 30, 2022, the sensational ChatGPT neural network was released, the creation of which was Elon Musk. It's a chatbot that can write poetry, solve problems, or just chat with you. Let's see how to use it and what are its main differences from its counterparts. What is ChatGPT? This is a chatbot that was created on the Azure AI supercomputer, and the basis for the creation was the GPT 3.5 language from OpenAI. They trained AI with the help of millions of different texts from the internet, reinforcing all reinforcement learning from human feedback. She was then retrained using herself to enhance her accuracy. The main difference between ChatGPT and other similar projects is its multitasking. It can even give you program code, give you advice, answer your questions. Also, the neural network was made as human as possible. Features of ChatGPT. Memory. The neural network remembers all the details of the conversation and gives answers to the basis of the information that the user previously provided. For example, you can ask what to wear today. She will ask about your plans for today, find out what the weather is like and give you the most suitable options. You can also ask the neural network how the dialogue began and it will show you, even if the dialogue began several months ago. Own opinion. ChatGPT does not have it at all, avoids acute topics of conversation, does not have a race and cannot answer why it was created. To the question "Can you think for yourself?" she answers no. There are also restrictions due to which she cannot create a text about something illegal. For example, if you ask her to tell her how to hide a corpse, she will not respond. Correction of answers. In the case when the chatbot misunderstood the meaning of the text, you can help to do this by asking a leading question or simply by giving additional information. The neural network will study this and give you the most suitable answer. Restrictions. ChatGPT is sensitive to changes in input wording or repeated attempts to answer the same question. For example, with one formulation of a question, the model may claim that it does not know the answer, but with a slight change in wording, it can answer correctly. Also, the chatbot is too verbose. Sometimes he pours too much water into the answers, even the easiest questions. And sometimes he just completely repeats the question. Ideally, the neural network should ask clarifying questions when the user asks an ambiguous question. Instead, current models usually guess what the user meant. Although the creators tried to teach the neural network to reject inappropriate questions, but sometimes it still gives an answer to them. How to use ChatGPT. To begin with, you need to go to the site and register there. But if you live in Russia, there may be small problems with this, since in early December Russians were banned from accessing this service. In order to bypass these restrictions, you need to buy an eSIM of another country and turn on the VPN when registering. You can just rent it for mere pennies. Immediately after registration, you will get into a chat with a neural network. Remember, if the site finds out that you came to the site from a Russian IP address, you will immediately be blocked. The neural network is able to conduct a dialogue in absolutely any language of the world. But it is best to address her in English, since it is in it that she was trained and will be able to give you the most accurate answer. The chatbot is able to speak Russian language, but there is a minus: it cuts off half. Most likely, ChatGPT translates the text from English into Russian, which is why the answers look so unnatural. If the neural network gives incorrect answers already in English, then try to ask additional questions or reformulate your own. In most cases, this helps solve the problem. Put a reaction if you like the article. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Redfish IVN